All right, buddy, what do we got?
Well, I'm trying to get the carpeting glued in like it needs to be, because that's why we have it was never glued in, it was just kind of placed. Yeah. Well, every C3 that I've ever done, which... Okay, yeah.
More than a couple.
The vice grips, or body pliers, which is technically what they are.
I use those for holding sheet metal together when I'm riveting.
When you're doing your carpeting, I'm not supposed to have to do that. C3s were very, very easy. It was tuck, place, just barely trim the extra. That's all you need to do. So the center console bolts here from the inside. So not a big deal. He bolted it through the carpeting because there was so much carpet. That's why we were having such an issue getting it out in the first place.
I'm sure that's why it was effed up.
Oh yeah, that's why I'm not putting another bolt in, because I got to pop the center piece out to go in to screw that into place. So we're going to get this all laid out nice and tight like it's supposed to be. Trim the little bit of extra that there is, because there's not a lot. Well, yeah, there is. I'm just trying to be... No, fuck that. I'm not being nice anymore. So I've got a shit ton of extra to trim, and it wraps around the back. So it's like this. It wraps around that and then goes down on an angle. So that no matter where you look at any angle, it looks pretty, it's got carpet, everything matches. No. There's the trim. That's supposed to stop right there. So there's an extra almost inch. When you tuck it in, I've got almost 2 inches extra.
Wow.
That has to be trimmed, but I've got to get everything in place first, glued this side, so that I can trim this side.
So much fun with carpet.
And I don't care what anybody says, if you haven't worked on these long enough, you don't know the tricks to do these. And this is the easiest thing in the world to do. It really is. It'll hold everything in place. You glue 98% of it, get it pressed, set, firmed, it's in place like it needs to be. Let that dry, then you can peel it up. It's easier. Then you do a quick clamp with a small paint stick. Dink, 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 going across top. You're done. So now it's fix everything on the other side. Get that set ready to go, which you can see. If you look over, you can see how much it buckles.
Yeah, it's got
on
a
the
big
back.
old hump there. Let me go to that. Look at that.
Over half of that's going to have to be cut off to get it wrapped properly underneath and behind. So whoever this person was, can I take them out back for a... as we say in Georgia, a coming to Jesus meeting? Or, well,
Bless their heart.
No, he's not even worth a bless your heart. He's really not. So, but yeah, enough with the stupidity for people that should not be touching cars or trained properly, which is the biggest issue. We're gonna make this right.
That's
Got
the plan.
to. I can't leave it like this.
Nope.
It's driving me nuts.
Nope. We are undoing quite a bit of half-assery, and that takes time, and it's gonna take time, but we want the car right.
When it leaves, it's gonna be pretty.
Yeah.
She'll get a wash. The paint's being corrected.
Andre's gonna do his job.
Which is the guy that we spoke to 3 weeks ago now, I think, something like that.
About this? It was last week.
Was it last week?
Yeah.
Well, I'm getting old. Or not enough food, one of the two. Both. There's never enough food, and I know I'm getting old.
And you probably need to get laid.
Well, that too, because, there's only so much you can do,
Okay, we're good.
So.
Oh, T-top bushings. I'm going to find those today, just so you know, Mo. Quick, easy, painless. Get it done. We'll
Yeah, because that'll help stop the bouncing on the wind.
Yes.
And the jarring that you'll have.
It'll help it. Okay, I'll get those coming right now. Good job, Scotty.